Welcome back. Subscribe and keep learning with us every day. Ready for another video? Let's go. Hello, friends. Today, let's learn about family members. Listen and learn with me. First, let's talk about close family. Mother, she is my mom. Father, he is my dad. Parents, my mother and father. Son, he is my parents' boy child. Daughter, she is my parents' girl child. Brother, he is a boy in my family. Sister, she is a girl in my family. Sibling, a sibling can be a brother or sister. Now, let's move to extended family. Grandmother, she is my mom's or dad's mother. Grandfather, he is my mom's or dad's father. Grandparents, my grandmother and grandfather. Grandson, he is the son of my child. Granddaughter, she is the daughter of my child. Aunt, she is my mom's or dad's sister. Uncle, he is my mom's or dad's brother. Cousin, a cousin is my aunt's or uncle's child. Let's talk about family by marriage. Husband, he is a married man. Wife, she is a married woman. In-laws, these are family from marriage. Mother-in-law, she is my husband's or wife's mother. Father-in-law, he is my husband's or wife's father. Son-in-law, he is my child's husband. Daughter-in-law, she is my child's wife. Brother-in-law, he is my spouse's brother. Sister-in-law, he is my spouse's sister. Now let's look at a few others. Baby, a baby is a very young child. Child, a child is a young person. Stepmother, she is a mother by marriage. Stepfather, he is a father by marriage. Stepbrother, he is a brother by marriage. Stepsister, she is a sister by marriage. Twins, twins are two babies born together. Great job. Now you know family members. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.